States might relocate so you can smoke on the Maui Wowie. You can take like going back to Honolulu just to get that Maui Wowie.